What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today, fantastic video. I'm gonna show you the 3 best warm-up tips for you on the microphone so you can have more confidence, you're gonna deliver better, your songs are gonna come out better. These are tips that I've used time and time again. I've seen major artists use them time and time again. Well, 2 of them I've seen them use on a regular basis. One of them is my own that I know works fantastically and I recommend. But stick around for number 3, because number 3 is something that is gonna change everything for you. And I didn't realize it till seriously, probably like 3 years ago. And I wish that I kind of knew it, but I wish that I had been implementing it more, like actually knowing, oh shoot, if I would have did that first, that would have changed everything for me. That's gonna be number 3. You're gonna find that out though, okay? Please watch this video, it's gonna help you so much. Right, I'm Rob Level, this is smartrapper.com, and I'm gonna teach you these tips. You're gonna learn, you're gonna get smarter today, right after the intro. I love this tip. Tip number 1, you're gonna be like, I'm not doing that. But look, I'm gonna explain why this tip works. Here is a fantastic tip for warming up on the mic. Come on! A lot of you, okay, are like most people, you live with your parents, or you live with your grandma, or you live in the basement, or you have thin walls, you got a brother and a sister. You're gonna be like, this is stupid, but I'm gonna explain to you. Before you record, I want you to scream at the top of your lungs, yeah, buddy! Woo! Damn, that shit echoed up in here. This is why, okay? Even right now when I did that, there's nothing more embarrassing that you're gonna do for your entire recording session than be that fucking loud and annoying, okay? Now, what's the advantage of this? You are erasing the anxiety, because you know now, problem is, usually when you're rapping in front of your parents or people, you feel like they can hear you rapping, right? Okay? That's not nearly as embarrassing as what you already just did. That breaks your anxiety up. It goes, fuck you anxiety, I'm jumping into this hardcore, and it's gonna amp you up like crazy. So automatically. There's nothing more embarrassing you're gonna do than what you already did. And with that in mind, you can now record more confidently with no problem. Because you're probably gonna be rapping like, yeah, rapping on the mic. You're not gonna be like, yeah, buddy! Like, you're not gonna be fucking, you're not ever gonna have to do that again. That's already out of the way, okay? Now you can record like it ain't shit. It's a great tip, believe it or not. It may sound stupid, I'm telling you, it'll help so much, it will break your anxiety up. Stick around for number 3 though, because number 3 is gonna change everything for you. Let's get into number 2 though. Number 2, and no, I'm not joking here, just like you probably may have thought number 1 was a joke, but it really wasn't, okay? Okay. I need you to do this before you record, okay? I need you to do 20 push-ups, 20 jumping jacks, and the reason being is, you ever work out? I hope you worked out. You remember anytime you worked out, hopefully recently, and you're like, whoo, I feel good. Your blood's pumping, your blood's going, your body's rushing, the endorphins are going. You're in a happier state because of that. When you're in that happier state and you feel more pumped, you feel more energized, isn't that the type of feeling you need to have when you record music? That confidence that you have? Right, that natural endorphins just pumping into your brain so you're ready to record? Why wouldn't you? And I'm talking about 20, this stuff will take you less than 60 seconds, okay? Every day in my room, I have these. These things cost like $6, okay? These are by the door. I have a rule for myself all day long. I don't walk out that door unless I do 20 push-ups, okay? Why? Keeps my blood going all day, keeps me feeling good and confident all day, gets those endorphins rushing, okay? As well as I'm growing, I'm becoming more muscular every day. At the same time, I have these Bowflex weights, okay? Right, these 50-pound weights, okay? Right? These things, I got these, I randomly do curls throughout the day, right? I know you guys can't really tell through the camera, but I'm pretty motherfucking big. Like, you never really see me next to people, but I'm pretty big. Actually, let me see this one. Hey, Kyla. Just show how big I am as a human. Well, you don't have to get all ready. I know you can't do it like that. Damn it, Kyla. Now I was talking to the camera. just so like the difference in like the size of a human versus a girl. Well, you know, I mean like me, like a guy, versus the size of a girl. Like, because if you look at me on camera, it's like you never think like I'm buff.
Well,
I just look like a normal guy.
I don't know.
I don't think I do.
I don't know. I think you do. But
okay. Well, I'm just showing how big I am as a person. Yeah, let's do a side. I'm just showing like how big I am as a person. Like as
opposed to not a real person.
Yes, I'm showing how big I am compared to other humans. I'm telling y'all, like, I know a lot about working out and how it will change your life and increase your confidence. And if you're doing these push-ups and jumping jacks, not only are you gonna be able to record with more confidence, but at the same time, you're actually gonna feel healthier because you are healthier and you're gonna look better. Like, there's so many benefits to doing this. Like, you should be doing this on a regular basis. I'm doing these push-ups even when I'm not recording. Before I record, I do jumping jacks. And I do push-ups and I jump around like crazy because it gets me going, gets my blood going, ready to record, ready to put that confidence down on the microphone. And you should do the same thing. Now let's get into number 3, which is the crazy. You need to be doing this. Okay, let's get into it. Here's what I want you to do. I want you, when you record, to just do a real quick recording of yourself with some energy that you're gonna have. Hopefully you did the push-ups, you scream so it ain't shit when you do this with a massive amount of confidence on the microphone. And then I want you to, inside of the tracks, I want you to pre-mix it, okay? You may not know how to mix, but it's super easy. You're gonna add an EQ, you're gonna add a compressor, maybe you're gonna add your auto-tune off the bat, okay? Now, why would you do this? Well, the whole reason of doing this is because if you pre-mix the track before you record it, every single time you listen back to whatever take that you did, it already sounds like it's mixed. You already like the way you sound so much better, right? So the amount of times that you go, I don't like that take, that wasn't good enough, I didn't like that. The amount of times that happens is gonna happen like 10 times less because it already sounds fantastic. If it already sounds great, then every time you record, you're gonna be able to, okay, that was good, that sounded great, but I could do it better. You're gonna do the next take with more confidence too. It's not gonna be like, oh, that sounded like shit. You ever did a take and you're like, oh, I don't even know if I like this song anymore. That didn't sound that great. That's because it wasn't pre-mixed. Okay, if you pre-mix it and set those settings up, and then you can save the session and then slightly tweak them in your next session, which is what I've been doing for years now, you are going to get a lot more songs recorded because you're gonna have so much more confidence when you record it. Like, it already sounds great. This is how it's gonna sound. This is similar to what it's gonna sound like when it's recorded. Super easy. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick example of the difference of a non-mixed song and a mixed song. I'm just gonna do it with the Word of the Day theme song real quick so you guys can see the difference. All right, here's the example of a before and after. If you were just recording, you didn't have anything preset on it, here's how the Word of the Day theme song would sound without it. And if you haven't heard the theme song, you'll hear it in a minute anyway. All right, let me turn all these off. Here's how the Word of the Day theme song sounds with no settings on it at all. How you would typically record, most people record because they don't know how to do this. I got this right here. Even if I turn up the volume on it, it just sounds like shit. It just sounds like shit. Now, look what it sounds like when I add all the effects, the limiter, the compressor, the EQ, everything is added back on, and it comes out like this. I got this right here, man. It's time for Word of the Day, new words you can say, new words for your rhyme, without, for your wordplay. By the time you leave this video, it's just blah, just like it's so weak and frail. If you pre-do everything, when you finally record it, it already sounds amazing. Okay, so record a take, preset your settings, pre-save your settings. You can then use those in all of your takes and all of your sessions and slightly adjust them, and it's going to instantly increase your confidence on the microphone. This is more important than anything. But if you do all 3 of these, like the scream in the beginning, yes, do it. The push-ups and the jumping jacks, get your blood flowing, endorphins going, and then you do this rope right here, you are gonna have way better sessions. You know what time it is. I got this right here, man. It's time for Word of the Day, new words you can say, new words for your rhymes and for your wordplay. By the time you leave this video, you'll be smarter than you was before. This is so stupid. What's up, y'all? Time for another Word of the Day. Today's Word of the Day is vaunting. Vaunt. It's to be overly boastful, to excessively brag about things. So obviously I'm gonna say Donald Trump is a very vaunting person. All right, hit me with a like, hit me with a comment. Let me see your 4 bars of the day below using the Word of the Day. Hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell when you hit subscribe so it notifies you every single day when I release a new video so you can become a smarter rapper. I hope these tips helped you. Okay, check out these other videos and go ahead and subscribe to my other channel too. I got 100,000 subscribers on the other channel. Tons of stuff coming. I'm gonna start doing a lot of stuff. Oh, there's so much stuff happening. There's so much. I don't know if you can start mentioning. Like, what do I start with? Just check out these other videos. I hope this helped. You're gonna be way more confident in the mic now, and you're a smarter rapper. Thanks for watching, gang. I'll see you tomorrow.